Good morning, all of you. Today we are going to talk about our unit number 4. The name of that chapter is Adjectives. Earlier, in previous classes, we have discussed about different parts of speech. We have started from the noun, pronouns. Then after, today we are going to discuss one of the most important part of speech, that is adjectives. Definition for the adjective is: an adjective is a word that is used to add something to the meaning of a noun. Earlier, we have discussed that a noun is a name of person, place or a thing. So, the words means the part of speech which is used to describe the noun, that is basically known as the adjectives. Now, we will look at these examples and understand the adjectives. The first one is: Mary sang a beautiful song. In this sentence, we are having song as a noun, and beautiful here is acting as an adjective for the noun song. In second example, he is having a black coat. Coat is again a noun in the sentence, and the word black, which is actually the color of a coat, means it is describing the coat. So that's why black will be called as the adjective of the sentence. In our third example, Ravi is smart boy. Again we are having boy as a noun in the sentence, and the word which is describing the boy is smart, which is working here as the adjective of the sentence. Fourth example, give me 2 mangoes. So we have discussed about qualities like beautiful, colors like black, again quality smart, but here it is used as a numbers. So 2 is basically a number which can be also used as an adjective for the word, for the noun mangoes. In our fifth example, pass that red pen. So as we have taken black as a color for the adjective, here red is also used as a color, and which is also the adjective for the noun pen. So adjectives are the words which are also called as a describing word, which describes the noun. In all these examples, all the adjectives here are describing about the noun which is used after the adjective in a sentence. We are also having different kinds of adjective which we will discuss now. We are having 7 different types of adjective. They are listed below. The first is adjective of quality. Adjective of quality describes the quality of a noun. Then we are having adjective of quantity, which describes the quantity of a noun. Then the third one is adjective of numbers, which tell us about the numbers of noun. Demonstrative adjective is used to demonstrate the noun. And the fifth one, distributive adjective, is used to distribute the noun. The sixth one is interrogative adjective, which is used to ask questions for the noun. Then the seventh is possessive adjective, which shows the possession with the noun. Here some examples of that kinds of adjective are listed. Like quality is having happy, bravery, these are the quality of a noun. Quantity means enough, any, and many more. Numbers are used like 2, first, second, etc. Demonstrative adjectives are these, that, and these, and those, used for the plural and singular. Then the distributive adjectives are of 3 different kinds, and they are each, neither, and either. Then interrogative adjectives which answers the noun, like which pen. So pen is used as a noun and which is used as a interrogative adjective, possessive adjective, like our school. School is again a noun and R is used as an adjective. Now we will discuss these all the adjectives one by one in details. Our first adjective, adjective of quality. As we have earlier discussed that adjective of quality describes the quality of a noun. They tell us what kind a person, place or a thing is. Means person, place or thing. A name of these things is known as a noun. So they tell us what kind of noun is. Means in simple language, it shows the quality of a noun to us. As is in these examples, some of the adjectives are given, like a kind man. Man is used as a noun. The kind word is used as an adjective and is showing the quality of the man, kind man. Then quality of a coat, black coat. Quality of a child means the word happy is used for the child to show the quality of a child. An old farmer, quality of a farmer. Brave boy, brave is the quality of a boy. Then last one, a fast car. Fast is the quality of a car. So from these examples we can know that kind, black, happy, old, brave, fast, these all adjectives are used as an adjective of qualities for the different types of nouns like man, coat, child, farmer, boy or car. So now we will do the next type of adjective. That adjective is adjective of quantity. Now we will discuss adjective of quantity. Quantity, as we all know, it expresses the noun is in what quantity. They tell us how much a thing is. Thing word is used here for a noun. So we can say that they tell us how much a noun is, because adjectives are the words which always describes the noun, which tell us more about noun. In these examples, we can see that the adjective of quantity is described with the help of noun. Milk, bread, food, these three are used as a noun, and the words and, whole, enough here are describing those nouns in the form of adjective of quantity. Any, milk, whole, bread, enough, food are some the examples. Some, coffee. Coffee is again here noun, and sugar is also a noun. And the words some and little are the adjectives of quantity which describes the noun. So we can say that some is an adjective of quantity used for the word, used for the noun coffee, some coffee. Now we will discuss adjective of numbers. Adjective of numbers, they tell us how many or in what order the noun is. So we can say that the adjective of numbers describes us the noun is in how many or in what order it is. Here are few examples which shows that all girls. So girls is a noun and all here is adjective of numbers. In this example also, boys is working as a noun and man is used as an adjective of numbers. Several again is an example of adjectives of numbers, and bird here is used as a noun. Then next example, some men. So man is used as a noun and some here is describing the man. So some is the form of adjective of numbers. Then the first car. So first here is describing the car. Which car? So we can say that first car, it is describing the car. So first is used as an adjective of numbers to describe the noun car. Then 12th player. So 12 is the number, adjective of numbers, which is used for the noun player. So now we will discuss the fourth kind of adjective. Now the next is demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjectives, they tell us which person or things are meant. Means demonstrative adjectives point out which person we are talking about or which thing we are talking about. For example, when we say like this boy, so we are pointing out to one particular boy with the help of our these, and these here is used as a demonstrative adjectives in a sentence to point out at a particular boy. We are having four different types of demonstrative adjectives. They are these, that, and these. The last one, those. So these four are the demonstrative adjectives which are used with the noun to point out that particular person or a thing we are talking about. In these examples, we can see that boy, girl, trees, and cars are the nouns. Boy and girl are in singular form, and trees and cars both are in the plural form. These and that, these two demonstrative adjectives are used with the singular nouns, and these and those are the demonstrative adjectives which are used with the plural form of the noun. Then next thing is this is to say about a thing which is near to us, and that is for the things which are away from us. Same as these and that, these and those are also for the same reason. These is near to us and those is apart from us, far away from us. Now we will discuss distributive adjectives. They show that person or things are taken one at a time. So basically examples like each, either, every, neither are the examples of distributive adjectives. They are used for the persons or things to take one at a time, to talk about one at a time. Means if we are saying that each girl, we are pointing out at different girls, but one at a time, each girl. Then the next is every boy. Here it is working same as each girl, but every is taken together. Every boy means in a group, every boy is included. Then either pen or the neither card. Either means one of the pen from the group, either pen, and neither card means there are different cards but none of them. So they are distributing one noun from the group. So that's why they are called as distributive adjectives. Now we will discuss about interrogative adjectives. Interrogative adjectives, they are used with nouns to ask questions. So, for example, we can say that which boy we are talking about. So, boy is here used as a noun, and which is a word which is used as interrogative adjective to point out boy. Boy is noun and which is describing the noun. So which is adjective, but which kind of? That is interrogative adjective. Next is whose pen. Here also pen is noun and whose is used as a interrogative adjective. And in this example also, what is used as an interrogative adjective? To point out the noun time. There are only 3 different types of interrogative adjectives. Which boy, whose pen, and what time. So they can be used with different types of noun in a sentence. Now we will discuss possessive adjective. Possessive adjective, they tell us whose is the thing. They describe us whose the thing belongs. For example, in this case, school, pen, house, book, car, toys. These all are the nouns. These all are the things. And the words are my, her, your, his and their are used as a possessive adjectives. They tell us whose is the thing. For example, our school, the school belongs to person. Then my pen, her house, your book, his car, their toys. So the words which are used with a noun to tell us whose is the thing, that words are known as a possessive adjectives. As now we have discussed that what is adjective. Adjective is a describing word which describes the noun in a sentence. We also discussed that there are 7 different types of adjectives. They are adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of numbers, demonstrative adjective, distributive adjective, interrogative adjective, and possessive adjectives. So it is also important to arrange the adjectives in a proper order in a sentence. So here we can see that one table is there in which we are having determiner, quality, size, age and shape, color, material and at last the noun. So this is the proper order of arranging an adjective in a sentence. So here is an example, like the is a determiner. So in the categories of adjectives we will use the in the first place. Then we can use expensive. Expensive is again adjective which is used as a quality of a noun. Then large, this is the size of a noun. Color, that is the color of a noun. And material, plastic. So box is made from plastic. So plastic is the material used for the noun. So if we will separate these terms, like in this case, boxes is a noun. We can separately use these all terms with the boxes, like the boxes, expensive boxes, large boxes, orange boxes and the plastic boxes. So if we want to use these all adjectives together in a sentence, there should be a proper way, proper order to use these terms, like the 5 expensive, large orange plastic boxes. So that is the correct form of using the adjective in a form of sentence. Now here is the next example. A few, quality, empty, triangular, shape, silver, color, metal for material and the noun is containers. So these all adjectives are used for the noun container in a sentence and in a proper order. A few empty triangular silver metal containers. Now the third example is the is determiner, not is quality, 5, 8, and we don't have any adjective for color and material, so we have put a dash here, and the last thing is noun, that is boy. So the naughty 5-year-old boy is the last example and is a proper way to use the adjectives in a sentence in proper order. So we have discussed that what is adjective, different 7 types of adjective and the arrangements of adjectives. Now we will discuss about degrees of comparison. Adjectives of quality have 3 forms called degrees of comparison. So adjective of quality is having 3 different forms which are known as degrees of comparison. These 3 degrees are the positive degree, the comparative degree and the superlative degree. So the first one, the positive degree. It is used when no comparison is made. So basically when we don't want to compare any nouns, then we are using the positive degree. Then the comparative degree. It is used when 2 persons or things are compared. Means when we are comparing 2 different things, then we are using the comparative degree. And the last one, the superlative degree. It is used when more than 2 persons or things of the same class are compared. So means when we are comparing more than 2 persons or things of the same class at a time, that is known as superlative degree. So for example, we can say that the positive degree we are not comparing anyone. In comparative degree we are comparing the 2 different things, and in superlative degree we are comparing more than 2 different things. For example, in positive degree we can make a sentence like he is smart boy. Smart is an adjective of quality and is also in the positive degree. Then in comparative we can use sentence like he is smarter than Ravi. Means we are comparing 2 different nouns. Then in superlative degree we will make sentence like he is the smartest boy in the class. So again we are comparing more than 2 persons or things of the same class. Now we can say that in superlative degree it is compulsory to use the article the at the beginning. It is compulsory to use the article the whenever we are using the superlative degree in a sentence. I will repeat this thing again as degrees of comparison. Adjectives of quality have 3 different forms called as degrees of comparison. These 3 degrees are the positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Positive degree is used when no comparison is made. Comparative is used when 2 different things are compared, and superlative when more than 2 different things are compared. Thank you.